All right, let me guess. You've heard about Roth IRAs. Maybe your friends mentioned it, or you saw it on TikTok, or your parents keep nagging you about it. And every time you try to understand what it actually is, your brain just shuts down, right? I get it. The finance world loves making simple things sound complicated. But here's the thing, a Roth IRA is actually stupid simple. And by the end of this video, you're gonna understand it better than most adults. Let's go.
Okay, so imagine you've got two buckets. That's it, two buckets. Bucket number one is your regular bank account. You put money in, you take money out, the government taxes you along the way. Boring. Bucket number two, that's your Roth IRA. But this bucket has magic powers. Here's how it works. You put money in after you've paid taxes on it. So the government already got their cut. Cool. Then that money grows and grows and grows over years and decades. And when you're old and gray, like Walker and Denture's old, and you finally take that money out, zero taxes, not a single penny. It's all yours. Now, you might be thinking, but what about a traditional IRA? I've heard that's a thing too. Great question. Let me break down the difference in the simplest way possible. Traditional IRA, you get a tax break today. Feels good now, right? But when you take money out at retirement, the government takes their share. Every single withdrawal gets taxed. Roth IRA, no tax break today, sucks now, right? Wrong, because when you're 65 and you pull out $500,000, zero taxes, ever. It's like choosing between a cookie now or the entire bakery when you're retired. Let me show you why this matters with actual numbers, and I promise, no complicated math. Meet Sarah. She's 25, just like you maybe. She put $6,000 into her Roth IRA, just once, one time. Then she forgets about it. Fast forward to Sarah at 65, that's $6,000. Assuming average market returns, it's now over $90,000. $90,000. And here's the craziest part. She pays zero taxes on that $90,000. Not a single dollar goes to the IRS. Now, imagine she does this every year for 40 years. We're talking over $1 million, tax-free. And remember, in 20 or 30 years, taxes will likely be higher than they are now. By paying taxes today, you're locking in a discount. You're basically telling the IRS, you can't touch this later. All right, so for 2026, here's what you need to know. The limit, you can put in up to $7,000 if you're under 50. If you're 50 or older, you get a catch-up contribution, $8,000 total. Income rules, this is where people get confused. If you're single and you make over $165,000, you can't contribute directly. There's a workaround called a backdoor Roth, but that's a whole other video. Deadline, you have until tax day 2026 to contribute for 2025. So if you're watching this in early 2026, you can still do last year's contribution. Free money hack. This is the part where most videos leave you hanging. They explain what it is, then say go open one and dip out. Not me. Here's exactly how to open a Roth IRA in like 15 minutes. Step 1. Pick a brokerage. Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, they're all good. Step 2. Click Open an Account. It asks for your social security number, bank info, basic stuff. Takes 10 minutes. Step 3. Fund it. Connect your bank account, transfer money in. Step 4, this is the step everyone misses. You have to invest the money. If you just put money in the Roth IRA and leave it as cash, it does nothing. You have to buy something. What to buy? A target date fund. Pick the year you'll retire, like Target Retirement 2060 if you're young. It automatically invests for you. Set it and forget it. Before you go, let me save you from the mistakes I see people make all the time. Mistake number 1, I'll do it later. No, the magic of Roth IRA is time. Every year you wait is thousands of dollars lost. Mistake number 2, withdrawing early. You can take out what you put in, anytime, no penalty. But if you take out the growth before 59.5, taxes and penalties. Bad idea. Mistake number 3, not contributing consistently. Even $50 a month adds up. Consistency beats intensity every single time. So that's it. Roth IRA explained in a way that actually makes sense. If this helped, smash that like button. Honestly, it helps more people find this video and get their money right too. Be honest, what's the first thing stopping you from opening your Roth IRA today? Is it the step 4 investing part, or just finding that extra $50 a month? Comment below and let's help each other get past it. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.